Getting an Ethereum wallet address is a straightforward process that involves creating a digital wallet to store your Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. To start, you need to choose a reputable digital wallet provider, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Ledger. First, go to the website of your chosen wallet provider and download the wallet application. Follow the installation instructions to set up the wallet on your device. Once installed, open the wallet application and create a new wallet by following the prompts. You will be asked to create a password and set up a recovery phrase to protect your wallet. The recovery phrase is a list of words that will be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Make sure to store the recovery phrase in a safe place, as it will be used to recover your funds if your wallet is lost or stolen. After setting up your wallet, you will be given an Ethereum wallet address, which is a unique string of characters that starts with 0x. This address is used to receive Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. You can find your wallet address in the wallet application, usually under the Receive or Deposit section. To receive Ethereum, simply provide your wallet address to the sender, and the funds will be transferred to your wallet. It is essential to keep your wallet address private, as anyone with access to your address can send you Ethereum, but they cannot withdraw funds without your private key. Best practices for securing your Ethereum wallet address include using a hardware wallet, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your wallet software up to date. Additionally, make sure to use a reputable wallet provider and never share your private key or recovery phrase with anyone. In summary, getting an Ethereum wallet address involves choosing a digital wallet provider, creating a new wallet, setting up a recovery phrase, and obtaining your unique wallet address. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely store and manage your Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies.